Now in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a circle and how to create an oval in CSS. Now this exercise, this mini project is extremely simple. You basically do what we've just done here. These are just two dividers that we've used border radius to turn them from a rectangle to circle or oval. One, the circle was a square. Remember, squares are rectangles, geometry here. The oval was a rectangle whose height was bigger than its width. So anyways, let's begin coding what I just showed you in the browser. First of all, let's create two dividers. And for the circle, let's give it a class of oval. Okay, no, just kidding. Let's give it obviously a class of circle, and let's give the oval a class of oval. My goodness, you're smart. So for the CSS, for circle, let's give the circle a height of 400 pixels. Let's give it a width of 400 pixels. Let's set the background color to red. Just to make them stick together. This doesn't affect the shape, but let's say just so they stick together, I'm going to set their float value to left. And the magic we use to turn a rectangle into a circle or an oval is we use border radius. Remember how border radius is used to sort of smooth out edges? If we set all the edges to 50%, we get them in a circular manner. And if you set a square's border radius to 50%, you get a circle. If you set a rectangle where the sides do not equal in length, like let's say you have a height of 600 pixels and you have a width of 200 pixels. If you set the border radius of that divider to 50%, all edges are 50%, you will get an oval, a long oval. So for our circle, we will do that. Set border radius to 50%, and for the oval, we'll set the height to 600 pixels. Set the width to 200 pixels. Let's give it a color of blue. As previously, just so they stick together, let's set the float value to left. Float doesn't affect the shape, as I said before. And set the border radius to 50%. So let's see what this looks like in a browser. Ta-da! Exactly what I just showed you in the very beginning of the video. The red thing is a circle. Was a square, I turned it into a circle. The blue thing was a long rectangle and I turned it into an oval. So anyways, this about finishes this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time.